Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics. Plug into AC power, test the keyboard, and confirm network access so you can sign in or download tools. Next, identify whether you use a Microsoft account versus a local account because recovery paths differ. Write down recent password variations. Once done, prepare a USB recovery drive or a second Windows 11 PC to create installation media. This lets you run automated repairs or reset credentials without losing time. Once you have recovery media, boot into Advanced Startup or Safe Mode to isolate the problem. Safe Mode loads minimal drivers so you can test sign-in behavior. Use Command Prompt for targeted fixes. Run bootrec commands to repair boot records, chkdsk to fix disk errors, and sfc to restore corrupt system files. If drivers or updates cause the issue, run startup repair or system restore to a known good point. Make sure to disable fast startup and any problematic sign-in options before rebooting. You finish by confirming a successful sign-in, then create a new administrator account and migrate user files so you have a fallback. If problems persist, use the recovery environment to reset the PC while keeping personal files or perform a clean install from your USB media as a last resort. This removes software causes. If it still fails, remove recent updates, roll back drivers, and unplug peripherals. These commonly block login, then retry. If needed, contact Microsoft support with your diagnostic logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.